Looking for a fast way to make any space feel like the holidays? Make a big impact with commercial Christmas bows. From neighborhoods to Main Street, bows add instant impact to homes, businesses, and public displays. Bows help accent the colors of your ornaments, greenery, and displays with cheery complementary colors such as red, gold, and silver. With durable material options available, you can choose from mylar for a shimmery look, rich red velvet for classic tradition, or durable canvas for the toughest outdoor environments. By comparison, bows without commercial-grade materials won't hold their shape. They droop over time, sag in the rain and snow, and twist around in the wind. Without UV protection, retail-grade bows also fade in the sunlight, and usually before the season's over. Our commercial bows are built for the real world, with internal structure, reinforced edges, and secure attachment points that keep the bow full and steady. UV-protected fabrics hold color. The result is a bow that stays bright, clean, and photo-ready through the season and for seasons to come. Bows are a quick installation for doors, Christmas trees, fences, lampposts, wreaths, garlands, and anywhere needing a festive accent. These bows perform in high-traffic public spaces and in challenging climates at home. Dress up retail entries, city streetscapes, HOAs, schools, churches, office lobbies, and front porches. A single bow can pull an entire scene together. Commercial bows are built to look great and last for seasons. Visit ChristmasDesigners.com to shop sizes and styles,